Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 15 of Build the Battleship YAMATO. In this latest video we're going to be adding 5 extra planks to the port side before working on and gluing together some more sections of the superstructure. So just marked out where the keel sections are. Okay, so now it's time to start continuing the planking, and we're still on the port side, and we're making his way out of the Yamato. So the first thing I'm going to do is just going to pop in just a temporary plank, just for a second. What we need to do, I didn't explain myself very well in the last video. On these bulkheads, we've got like the curved section, and we've got the section that's kind of going up. I'll put a picture on screen so you can kind of see this groove better. And we need this top plank just to fit in this groove. So obviously when I move the planking backwards and forwards, you can feel it hitting that stop. I'm just going to mark this temporary plank. Probably my dog barking soon when she hears the hammer going. I think that's a lot better. And that's the only reason that it's easy to bring the first plank in. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this top plank in. And this one we're going from the 5th bulkhead all the way up to the 9th bulkhead. So I'm just going to mark that directly down the middle of the bulkhead. And I'll cut that to length. And this would be the first plank. I like to pin all these ones in first. You don't have to pin every one. On the bulkheads where you're going to join 2 planks, there's not enough material to put one right at the end. So you kind of step a little bit back and then come in at an angle. Okay, so I'm just going to pre-pin these holes. Okay, so just moving on to the second plank. I've already glued this one. Don't think it's going to need pinning. That's a good thing about when you pin the first plank, you don't always have to pin every plank after that. I'm just going to get these modified clamps. I know I showed you in the last video. Also, I removed the little arms, and I've also some of them are cut down just to get in different positions. From this section, I'm just using a jaw section, and I can just obviously push the planks together, and I can to use the clamps right in the jaw, and it presses them down really flush to the first planking you've added. Yeah, and that was stuck really nice as well, so that's not going to need pinning, so that's okay. Like I say, you don't have to pin them, it's even better. Okay, when I built HMS Victory, I removed a lot of this excess glue, but I found out obviously when I came to sand the hull, they're obviously removing a lot of the glue with a wet paintbrush. It can sometimes obviously make the joints a little bit weaker, so this time I don't bother so much. I mean, I'll just smooth the edges over, but other than that you don't really have to, because when you sand it, it's just going to blend in any case. So alright, I'll leave that to dry 5 minutes, and then we'll come on and work on the next plank. Okay, so the plank's had about 5 minutes. That should be normally enough. Pretty much just time to listen to one song before I get back into it. But this time, obviously, the piece we cut off on the other section, I'm just going to hold that in there just as a temporary plank. And same again, this one's going to start from bulkhead number 5, and this one goes all the way across to bulkhead number 9. Same again, just draw directly down this centre on the bulkhead and then cut it to length. Plenty on, don't matter. This time I'm just going to paint the bottom of the plank with glue. I'll say put plenty on. Because like I say, sometimes you painted that, obviously on the top of this plank, and obviously painting glue that you're not gonna need. It might interfere when you came across to start planking this side. So I'm just gonna offer these up. Let's put this first one in. Second one. So we're going to move on to the 4th plank. And that's a really nice tight fit, that. This is like we did on the 2nd plank. This is cut at bulkhead number 8. I'd say the whole of this plank is taken up, so I'll glue the surface this time. Sorry, the top edge, sorry. Just pull a little bit along this bottom edge of this plank. Slide this one in. Really tight for that one. Make sure it's all the way flush, that's it. One more clamp. So it's going to move on to the 5th and final plank. I'm going to check width for this. That's okay. Sometimes they look a bit narrower than the other ones. This is like the first and the third plank. This is going to come all the way across the bulkhead number 9 and cut down the centre. So same again. I'm going to paint the underside. So the bottom edge of plank number 4. Plenty on. The more the merrier. Yeah, so when you bring your plank across, so they can all quite easily look the same, so always just check your taper, make sure your taper's in the right way, because you don't want to put your plank on that way because your taper's wrong, so yeah, just make sure your taper's in the right direction. I'll trim up. I'm actually going to make a jig for this Yamato. I'm a bit fed up of trying to work. We're wobbling about all the time, so yeah. Let me know if you want to see me film that process of making the jig. So if not, then I'll just do it. So again, we're coming with these clamps. I think I can get 6 out of one of these clamps, so it's quite good. I'll put a pin in this one. Same again, just clamp on the next one along. Didn't put any glue under that section. Glue. I'm ambidextrous, so sometimes it makes it a little bit easier. I can swap hands. I'm not quite as good with my right hand as everyone left, but yeah, I can still swap it around. Flick him out and just pop in these temporary spaces. Okay, so that's all the 5 planks finished for this video. It's got a little bit of bridge to do, and then that was pretty much this video wrapped up. Okay, so I've just brought the superstructure over. It's all dry. Obviously, when you're making anything like this and using epoxy resins, as soon as I'd finished gluing it up, I kind of go and stick it on the window ledge out the way. So yeah, so this, obviously the smells can be really bad. But I filmed it on super speed because I didn't want to people get bored watching the same thing, because it's pretty much the same as I did in the last issue. So yeah, if there's anything different, I'll film it slower. But yeah, when I kind of think it's just the same thing over and over again, I'll just super speed it. So, anyway, if you notice, I've got this University of Lincoln t-shirt on today. I didn't go to University of Lincoln. I'm kind of lucky if I went to university, but never mind. But I had a really nice trip last Saturday with my daughter Kaylee, and she went on a really nice visit around Lincoln and a really nice time around the university. So I managed to blag this t-shirt. So I said to her that obviously the next time I upload a video, I'll wear it in support of her. So anyway, just want to say before I go, just I'm incredibly proud of you, Kaylee. I love you to bits, and yeah, you made Dad really proud. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.